It is a singular inspiration. Easter eggs were on the mind of Alexander III, who commissioned Peter Karl Faber, jeweler and goldsmith to the Russian imperial court, to make an elaborate jewel of an Easter egg for his wife,
Maria Fyodorovna. Faber guessed first egg, the hen egg, opened to reveal a golden hen on her nest. The hen also opened to reveal a miniature version of the Russian imperial crown. Over the years, 50 eggs, each containing a surprise element, were produced for the Romanovs.
It is a game piece. Large family picnics, now mostly a thing of the past, played games using eggs, alongside three-legged races, jumping races and the like were at least two popular egg games. For one, contestants raced between 2 points with an egg held in the bowl of a spoon. Another was an egg toss that was won by the couple possessing the last remaining unbroken egg. It is a cure for the common hangover. It is called a prairie oyster. 1 raw egg mixed with 1 teaspoon Worcestershire, some hot sauce, salt and pepper, and 2 dashes of Tabasco. No, we agree, it isn't quite as appealing as a little hair of the dog. It is a garden egg. Cleaned egg shells are useful in the garden. Broken up and placed around tender shoots, they deter slugs and other pests that have soft undersides. Crushed eggshells add calcium to the soil and are an especially useful addition to tomato plants. They can also be added to compost bins, where they supply calcium to the soil being built. It is a good little kitchen helper. Apart from the simple pleasure of eating them in all their righteous glory, eggs cannot be beat for certain kitchen tasks among other things. They act as leaven in cakes, they clarify broth that has boiled, and they hold meatloaf together. It can teach you science. You can have all kinds of fun with eggs, and call it science. Try this at home: the naked bouncing egg trick. Put an egg in a glass, and cover it with vinegar, changing the vinegar after the first 24 hours. 1 week later the shell will have completely dissolved, leaving a thick, pliable skin covering the now visible, still raw yolk inside. What's left is a bounceable egg.